Hi, my name is Marcus. I'm the owner of California Development, located in San Francisco, California. You see, we specialize in ADA bathroom remodeling and create a safer bathroom for people with mobility issues. Let me ask you, is your bathroom hard to get around? Does your wheelchair fit, or worst off, have you fallen in your bathroom? If so, I can really help. The reason I ask is we can quickly put together a plan to make your bathroom easier and safer to get around. Raised vanity for better walker and wheelchair access. Raised toilet to easily transfer from walker and wheelchair. Grab bars for a safer transfer from walker and wheelchair. Grab bars help prevent you from slipping and falling, or just wheel in and sit in shower chair. Converted pocket door that opens and closes by motion. I don't mean to brag, but California Development is licensed, insured, and bonded, and has 10 years experience helping people throughout the San Francisco Bay Area make their bathrooms safer, so we can help you. What I do is personally come to your home to take pictures of the old bathroom and come up with a plan to build you a new, safer bathroom that's easier to get around in. I then quickly prepare a complete bid and email it to you. We take care of everything, from getting all city and county building permits to meeting the building inspectors. Most projects are quickly completed in just a week, and all work is 100% guaranteed. So call or click 415-227-9888 or fill out our form for your free estimate. California Development, 99 Mississippi Street, San Francisco, California, 94107.